Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ikra Habib. My roll number is 17054. My presentation topic is types of industrial effluents and their treatment methods. First of all, I explain definition. Industrial effluents is an all-encompassing term used to describe material considered to be no longer of use after a manufacturing process has been completed. The term industrial waste can be defined as any solid, liquid, or gaseous residual matter stemming from industrial activity, and regardless of whether the term waste is classified as domestic or industrial without proper established disposal plans, any form of waste that can lead to employee health hazards. Since a wide variety of waste can technically be categorized as industrial waste, it's important that you determine the different types of raw material your business use, as this can help you to find out what type of waste they generate and let you know whether such material and their byproduct can be used or recycled. Next, the types of industrial effluents. The following are the few explanations of the different types of industrial waste, like liquid waste, residual solid. First, liquid waste. Liquid waste is produced both domestically and industrially. Large amounts of water are needed in most industrial processes, which may come into contact with harmful substances like radioactive materials, dirty water, organic liquids, rinse water, waste detergent, and even rainwater. Next, industrial solid waste. Industrial solid waste includes different kinds of material like paper, plastic, wood, cardboard, packing materials, scraps, metal, and every other solid waste that can no longer fulfill its intended purpose. However, what may be considered waste in one industry can be used as raw materials in another, and some industrial waste is sent to recycling plants to be recycled for reuse. Next type of industrial waste is chemical waste. Most industrial activities also produce a certain amount of chemical waste, which include all type of inflammable, corrosive, toxic, and explosive waste. The disposal of chemical waste should be handled by a specialist, since it typically contains harmful chemical residue hazardous to human, animal, and plant life. With growing environmental protection concern, industries and businesses across the globe now required to adhere to industrial waste disposal and waste treatment management guidelines and standards, such as those published by environmental protection agencies. Next, toxic industrial waste. Most chemical waste generated by industries, including laboratories, hospitals, chemical plants, and garages, is toxic and hazardous. Next, industrial waste disposal tips. In conclusion, it's essential that every company, manufacturing unit, plants, and factories adhere to published industries and government guidelines for waste disposal, regardless of the type of industrial waste. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है इसका ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल इफ्लुएंस. Treatment of industrial sites generate wastewater which critically requires suitable treatments. This is to ensure that industrial activity causes no harm to the natural environment. The particular nature of industries influence is their diversity. Industrial waste treatment. Industrial wastewater treatment describe the process used for treating wastewater that is produced by industries as an undesirable byproduct. After treatment, the treatment industrial wastewater may be released to a sanitary sewer or to a surface water in the environment. नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं इसके सोर्सेज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट वाटर. Battery manufacturing specialize in fabricating small devices for electronics and portable equipment, or large high-powered units for cars, trucks, and other motorized vehicles. Pollutants generated at manufacturing plants including cadmium, chromium, cobalt, copper, etc. Next, electric power plants. Fossil fuels power station, particular coal-fired plants, are the major source of industrial wastewater. Many of these plants discharge wastewater with significant levels of metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium, chromium, as well as selenium and nitrogen compound, etc. Plants with air pollution control such as wet scrubbers typically transfer the captured pollutant to the wastewater stream. As ponds, a type of surface impoundment, are as widely used treatment technology at coal-fired plants. These include dry ash, closed loops, ash cycling, chemical absorption, etc. नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं ये पावर प्लांट ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर स्ट्रीम पावर प्लांट. Food industries. Next, wastewater generated from agriculture and food processing operation has distinctive characteristics that set it apart from common municipal wastewater managed by public or private sewage treatment plants throughout the world. It is biodegradable and non-toxic but has high biological oxygen demand. Processing of food from raw material requires large volume of high-grade water. Vegetable washing generate water with high load of particular matter and some dissolved organic matter. It may also contain surfactant and pesticide. Dirty processing plants generate conventional pollutants. Animal slaughters and processing produces organic waste from body fluids such as blood and guts contents. Pollutants generated include BOD, coliform, bacteria, oil and grease, organic nitrogen, ammonia. Processing food for sale produce waste generated from cooking which are often rich in plant organic material and may also contain salt, flavoring, coloring material and acid or alkali. Very significant quantities of oil or fat may also be present. Iron and steel industry. The production of iron from its ore involve powerful reaction in blast furnaces. Cooling water are inevitable contaminated with products, especially ammonia and cyanide. Production of coke from coal in cooking plants also require water cooling and use of water in by-product separation. Contamination of waste stream include gasification products such as benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, cyanide, etc. नेक्स्ट आ जाती है इसकी माइंस एंड क्यूरीज. The principle of wastewater associated with mines and quarries are slurries of rocks, particles in water. These arise from rainfall, washing sport surface and haul roads, and also from washing and grading processes. Volume of water can be very high, especially rainfall related arising on large sites. Some specialized separation operations such as coal washing and to separate coal from native rock using density gradient can produce wastewater contaminated by fine particulate amylite and oil, and hydraulic oils are also common contaminants. Treatment of industrial wastewater. Next उसकी type. Brine treatment. Brine treatment involves removing dissolved salt ions from the waste stream. Although similarities to seawater or brackish water desalination exists, industrial brine treatment may contain unique combination of dissolved ions such as hardness ions or other metals, necessitating specific processes and equipment. Brine treatment is an important system are typically optimized to either reduce the volume of final discharge for more economic disposals. Ports are often based on volume or maximize the recovery of fresh water or salt. Next आ जाता है removal solids. Most solids can be removed using simple sedimentation techniques with the solid recovery or slurry or slag. Very fine solid and solids with densities close to the density of water pose special problem. In such case, filtration or ultrafiltration may be required. Wastewater from industrial food processing often requires on-site treatment before it can be discharged to prevent or reduce surcharge fees. Type of industry specific. What type of treatment is required? Dissolved air fluoridation, belt filtration, and drum streaming. Thank you. My presentation is ended.